Just before I get started today, I just want to say massive thanks to all new subscribers who've joined the channel this week. And today we're going to start by putting the box gutter around and preparing really to get the roof watertight, which will open up a lot more work for me. So that seems to fit alright. I'm just using stainless steel screws on this, because obviously it's going to be prone to having some water on it. So now all the steel's drilled, I'm going to start by screwing the upstand all the way around, and also I'm going to use some construction adhesive to stick the metal to the upstand. I'll put the shorter bit at the back of the trailer, because when I put the trims on I want to stagger the joints. So on these external corners I'm just going to put two screws in the end just to strengthen the corners up. And if you notice there as well, I'll have to just round that edge over. Obviously it's a square corner. Try and fit these metals now. Now we're on to the trims. I think what I'm going to try and do is, where the trims join in the corner, I'm going to try and put a little mitre where they meet, and also try and mitre the tops, but somehow give it a little bit of overhang, so when the fiberglass goes on it sort of strengthens the corner. So a little something like this. So just spent a bit of time sanding the inner edge down, because it'll be impossible when I put the box gutter in. It'll be hard, well, I'll say impossible, it'll be hard to get to that inner edge. Just using some slightly bigger screws in the middle, and then we'll use some shorter ones as we go out. Might get a shift on, it's getting dark. I'm really pleased how that's turned out, so I'm going to get her wrapped up for bed now.